Hi everyone, welcome to another video of an easy and homemade recipe. I hope you are all doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy spinach soup recipe. The soup only requires a little bit of ingredients and in no time you will be able to enjoy it. So let's just get right into it. For this soup, I'm using 1 cup of organic chicken broth and I'm using the whole can that I'm pouring into the pot and letting it come to a simmer. Once my chicken broth is simmering, I'm now adding my spinach that I've rinsed prior and I'm putting it into the pot and I'm going to bring it to a boil for a couple of minutes. Once my spinach and chicken broth have come to a boil, I will directly transfer it into the mixer. I'm making sure that I'm handling the hot soup very carefully. So do the same when you're at home. So once I'm done transferring my soup, I'm now mixing the spinach and making sure that it's pureed. And once it's pureed, I'm retransferring it back into the pot and putting it back on the stove. And I'm using heavy whipping cream, 3/4 of a cup of a heavy whipping cream to give the heavy consistency to the soup. So once I'm done mixing it, I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. And once I'm done, I have already cooked bacon prior to making the soup. So I'm just going to add the bacon. The bacon is optional. Not everybody eats bacon. So whatever you choose for your soup. I like bacon in it. So I'm adding my bacon into my soup. And I am going to let the soup boil for a couple of more minutes. And once it's coming to a boil, I'm now going to remove it and I will get to serve. So it's that quick and easy. In a couple of minutes, in 5 to 10 minutes, there you have your soup and you get to enjoy it. It's very delicious, and in no time your soup is served. And let me know in the comments down below how you found your soup. As you can see, the soup is very easy to make and it's very delicious and it smells really good. You can serve it with bread or with crackers or with whatever side of your choice that you have. So thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos that I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.